Maayong agat. Bukas na yung aming flight papuntang Patna. Meron pa ako ditong mga gulay-gulay. So, meron akong beetroot, meron akong carrots, and itong radish. Kailangan ko siyang lutuin na para hindi siya masayang. Kasi pag si-update na lang dito, masasayang yung mga gulay. Kasi hindi niya maluluto. Muon ko ni pickles na lang.
Iya.
Rabanos.
Kilawon.
Kilawon na lang eh.
Kaya nawawat ko na sa tasan.
Kaya kung hindi naman maluto, nukon lang. Ano kami dito, guys, peanuts. Gagawin ko siya. Like what they have cooked there at Gorompaya's house, na with onion and tomato. I like that.
Onion?
Should I saute the onion and tomato? Yeah, I like that. Parang
No,
gagawin
then
mo
you
siya.
have to chop fine. You have to just mix it. Tomato and onion, you have to mix it all.
This one I have to cook. Yes, we will now. Where? Where did you get that? Did she get bubu daw?
Where?
Where?
How?
Where did you get bubu?
Careful, Rani.
Lagay natin ng sibuyas and kamatis. Masarap pala to, guys. Konti lang yung nilagay ni Peanut at masala, pero dadagdagan ko to ng black salt. Yung black pepper, pwede nyo ding lagyan. Pwede na siyang pang pulutan. Parang 90% naman tapos na ako eh. Kapag empacking. Sila ni Mama, nakapag-empacking na din, ready na sila. Excited naman. Excited na silang punta ng Patna. Isang bagay lang is, yung pag-uwi namin sa Patna, pala guys, festival. So, habang kami, no meat. All veg. Tingnan natin if kakayanin nila yung walang meat. Dadalhin ko din pala itong kanyang bag. Sabi niya, hindi niya daw dadalhin si Coco. Pero dadalhin ko siya kasi may times na umiiyak yan siya. Naghahanap ng kanyang mga laruan. Yung kanyang Barbie. Tapos may libro siya dyan. Yung kanyang colored pencil din. Dinala ko. Para sa aeroplano, meron siyang pagkabisihan. Maganda din itong bag na bigay niya sa amin. Ito muna yung gagamitin ko. Kasi yung isang bag niya, gagamitin ko lang yun pag na siya, nag-aaral. Tapos yung kanyang baby Jasmine, dadalhin ko din. Kasi alam niyo na baka iyakan niya ako dun sa Patna. Kung nasaan yung kanyang baby Jasmine. Pwede na yung aming bit-bit for tomorrow. Hi guys! Movie time kami. Hindi ako nag-edit ng video kasi gusto ko i-upload. Okay, come here. Put your toys here. I will play with it. Come here. Did you play with her na? She's going Patna pa na. Nag-emote-emote na kasi itong tatay. Naiiwan siya namin dito.
Come here.
So, play with Daddy.
Take it here.
Daddy, how are you feeling now, Daddy?
Good.
Nag-emote-emote na yan kagabi na gusto din niya sanang umuwi. Daddy is feeling sad already. Very good, Daddy. He made a slide. You made a big tower, a very tall tower for Mimi, ba? Daddy, she made that? Good job, Princess. Ready na siya. Aalis yan siya ngayon. He's going to meet with his friends. Na-timing pa na andito yung iba niyang mga kaibigan. So, kailangan nilang mag-meet talaga kasi ang tagal na nilang hindi nakapag-meet. Susunduin siya nila dito. And then, you're leaving. I don't mind him going. It's only that tomorrow we are going early. So, if he will be you know, enjoying his time with his friends. Of course, meron niyang inuman. So, malilate siya ng uwi. Pero sabi ko mga 3 hours lang. It's 6:30 ng gabi. Siguro mga 9 or 10 yan siya uuwi. Nag-change outfit siya. What time are we leaving tomorrow for the airport?
I think by 5 maximum.
5. Alis na kami kasi 8 yung flight namin.
Morning 1 hour it will take maximum to reach.
Hindi naman
By
matraffic.
6 you will be there. Check in half an hour. By 6:37 maximum you will be there at the gate. So 1 hour is enough.
So 5 will leave. Bakit na dito yung kanyang mga kaibigan, susunduin siya. Para siguradong makakaalis siya, susunduin talaga siya. They are coming. At the door. Yeah. Let me fix your hair. You will say what? Okay, very good.
I told her to say hi.
Daddy told you how. They are not Daddy's friends. It's your friend? It's your auntie.
Floating vegetable markets, floating flower markets, floating egg or floating postmen. लगता है कि उन चीजों को नहीं बताया चलिए अब मिलते हैं स्पोर्ट्स ऑफिस के कैप्टन से और उनसे सारी जानकारी लेते हैं
Long time no see.
First time, Animesh.
Anish?
Animesh.
Animesh.
Come on, say hi to uncle.
Kisle, my mother. Kisle, Vivek,
I told my friends.
And
Wait. Animesh.
Animesh.
Wait, come, Misha.
Friends na sila ni mga tagas.
What's my name? My name is Mishka.
Mga friends na ni.
What's my name?
Sit down, please.
What? Mishka doesn't remember my name. Oh my
My
God.
father.
Hello, Uncle. Hi.
Kisle, Animesh, Vivek, Atol, mga friends na Bisaya Urahan.
You say hi to uncle.
अंकल को बोल रहे हैं
Mishka, what's my name?
Mishka, we can be friends.
What's my name?
You're stuck in the traffic.
Now we are taken by myself. Why are you doing this?
Why?
क्या? यहाँ थोड़ा ना आ रहा है.
All of us.
Hello, where to go?
You come here, Mishka.
ऊपर लिखते हैं.
Come here. All boys, all boys.
हम लोग आ जाएंगे एक फ्रेंड में.
आ जाएंगे.
1, 2, 3. Okay, now you can go.
आए. तुम इधर आओ, इधर आओ. आओ, इधर आओ. इधर बैठना है.
1 boys. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Let's go. Chalo. Daddy will come, Mimi, okay? You sleep early. Because early morning you have to go. I will flight it.
8 बजे फ्लाइट है भाई. हमको लगा था पटना का जल्दी फ्लाइट. अभी what time? Guys will leave at 5ish.
5. Because 8 is our flight.
Morning, that much of traffic will not be there. So we reach early. But still, 5 o'clock is flight. Flight is at 8. You guys will reach by 10.
Yeah, 11.
Sure. Play. Sure.
8 something. Ang nang playing the different music vacation at the lapit.
Ikaw, pero tawag niya agad.
Yung gahampang. Ang nakilala sa Mishka. What's his name, Mimi? This one? Uncle what? What's his name? Did you know his name, Mimi? Uncle?
She knows, that's why she's playing with him.
Uncle Bibi. What are you going to do? Nail polish. Uncle Bibi. Wait for me. Wait, then I'll show you Uncle Bibi. But do not touch.
Okay. Good girl.
Daddy will come back. Daddy will bring for me.
Chocolates. Chocolate. Uncle like chocolate. Mishka's gonna have chocolate.
See, Uncle Bibi is exercising. Say bye-bye to them na. Bye, come here.
चाबी तेरे पास नहीं है?
Don't say that.
Okay.
Uncle Bibi is bye-bye. Next month. Watermelon, you want? Hello, Pop. What color? Okay, Daddy, pink lollipop, okay? I will just call Daddy, okay? I will call Daddy. Mag-manicure muna tayo. Ang tagal kong napatulog talaga si Mishka, guys. 10:03 na. Nasa kama na kami, alas 8 pa lang. Kasi sabi ko nga early kami matutulog eh. Ang hirap-hirap niya talagang patulugin kasi nahanap niya si Abhi. Struggle is real talaga pag wala si Abhi. Kasi nasanay si Mishka na before matulog, naglalaro talaga sila ni Abhi. Meron pa yung sayaw. Basta, ang hirap niyang patulugin. Mag-ano na siya, malapit na alas 10, tsaka ko lang siya napatulog. Ilang beses kaming tumatawag kay Abhi. Kasi ayaw niya talagang matulog. Hinahanap niya si Abhi. Mommy, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Tapos, pag sasagutin mo naman siya na kay Uncle Vivek house si Daddy, iiyak naman siya. So, minsan, pag tanong siya ng tanong, Mommy, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Hindi ko sinasagot. Pero naghihintay siya ng sagot sa tanong niya. Kung hindi mo siya sasagutin, hindi matatapos yung tanong niya, Mommy, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? I want to play Daddy. Grabe talaga. Sobrang intense ng pagka-daddy's girl nitong aking baby girl eh. Nasanay talaga siya na andyan si Abhi. Paggabi, naglalaro sila. So, ang hirap. Nahirapan din siya kapag wala si Abhi. Good luck sa ating patna. Hindi naman kami ganun katagal sa patna. So, I think carry naman yun. Andun din naman yung kanyang mga pinsan. Makakalimutan din naman niya si Abi. Tawang-tawa talaga ko kay Mishka, guys. Sabi niya, complete talaga yung kanyang sentence. Sabi niya, I don't want Daddy go Uncle Vivek house. Tapos maya-maya lang, habang umiiyak siya, sabi niya sa akin, Mommy, let's go Uncle Vivek house. Let's go. Gumaganon-ganon siya. Gusto niyang sunduin si Daddy doon.